We'll guide you through how to use radial rays in Alight motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Alight motion on your device. Once it has finished loading, press Create New Project to start a new project. Set up the project according to your needs by selecting the project settings that you want to use. After completing the setup, select Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Next, press the plus button located below the timeline to add media to your project. Browse through your files, select the footage that you want to use, and import it into the timeline. After the footage has been added successfully, select the footage layer to open the small menu containing the available editing options. From the small menu, press Effect to open the Effect menu for the selected layer. Inside the Effect menu, press Add Effect to access the Effect browser. Once the Effect browser opens, use the search feature to find the radial rays effect. After locating the effect, select radial rays and add it to your footage. Once the effect has been applied, open the effect settings to begin adjusting its appearance. First, adjust the position setting to place the effect where you want it on the footage. To increase or decrease the number of rays, adjust the count value until it matches your preference. Use the width setting to control the width of the rays. Next, adjust the angle setting to change the direction of the rays. You can also adjust additional settings such as color and blending to change the color and blending style of the rays. Expand the radius section and adjust the radius value to control the size of the rays. After that, open the feather setting and adjust it to change the softness of the rays. Finally, adjust the wiggle setting to control the wiggle effect of the rays. After completing the adjustments, play the preview to check the final result. By following every step in the correct order, you have successfully used the radial rays effect in Alight motion.